Hello, hello, hello. It's been such a long time, but I'm gonna stream today. I was like, you know what? Let's stream. It's been such a long time. And I think I've improved my skills a bit, so hopefully I'll be able to demonstrate that. Oh! What does this kid think he is? What? Damn. Kid doesn't stop shooting. Yo, what? It's him again. It's the same kid on me.
Just giving my shield to you guys.
With the Craver, bro. We gotta take him out. What? This kid is always on me. Like, what do you want? This kid has a thing for me. I probably need to kill him a few times for him to give up and try to avoid me. There you are. This motherfucker, bro. Works my fucking nerves. This motherfucker right here.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
Daddy, stay with me. Daddy. Yo, what? Rick? It's the same fucking kid. I'm going to fuck you up. Kid, I need to scan.
Upon nature's strength. Scanning the area.
Yeah, you little shit.
A lead to our enemy. Let us follow it.
Motherfucker. Free kill! There you are.
A lead to our enemy. Let us follow it.
I'm coming for you, motherfucker. Shit. Where'd you run to? Motherfucker. There you are. You're like one shot. No way, bro. Motherfucker. I'm gonna hunt you down. They don't call me Bloodhound for no reason. Oh shit. Is it the same guy? Oh my god, bro. No, wait, what? I get cheating? Why did he insta-kill him like that? Wait.
Attention, delivering care package sponsored by Chevrex.
Damn it. Shit, someone has a Craver.
Bless me with sight.
Recharging my shields.
He has a Craver. Motherfucker.
Attention.
All father,
Delivering
give me
care
sight.
package sponsored by Shavrex.
Oh shit, now they're all focusing.
Recharging my shields.
Fuck. Coming from motherfucker. What? Really? Going to kill you. Motherfucker. Think you wanna craver me in the face? No way, bro. Damn it, bro. It's a good thing I fell. Everybody's focusing. Like, what?
All father, give me sight.
Get wrecked.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
No way!
Oh, that
There's
was
no
incredible.
way!
Okay, I'm bored now.
And I wish I killed him. Oh no, I lost my other R9. Not good.
Slinging thermite.
Oh, I missed my other R9. Oh, nice.
Thermite grenade set. Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
No way! Oh
That
man.
was incredible.
I don't want him to kill me.
Okay, I'm bored now.
If I choose Octane, I'm surely gonna beat him, but for the challenge I need to play Bloodhound 2 games, so I'm doing that.
Charging my shield.
Calling upon nature's strength.
I hear something.
Scotty to be found in this direction. Sight.
Why are you running? Ooh. Shit, don't die now. Oh no! Oh shit, don't die now.
Let us catch them unaware.
No! Damn it. He's like one shot. He's one blow. I'm missing way too many shots. Do you have an R9? Yes. Let's go.
Just giving my shield a recharge.
Scanning.
Nobody? Okay. Oh oh no, I fell! Oh, I'm missing way too many shots. Let's go in! guys! Don't let me go alone.
Shields recharging.
There's no way, bro. There is no way. There's no
Oh,
way.
that was incredible.
How did they know where I was going? I mean, it's logical, but there's no way. I can play Octune. I want to complete
Just giving my
mission.
shield
Marking our surroundings.
Let's kill this kid.
Thermite. Hostile.
Oh, y'all killed the Octane? Really, kid? Really? I'm gonna beam you. Bitch. Oh, he's up there. He's trying to heal. Oh, now you're telling two of you. Oh, bitch. Get wrecked, kid. Get wrecked. My first game for today. That was kind of warm up. And it went quite well. 10 kills, 2k damage. Damn. Let's go, baby. Okay, one more match is Bloodhound. Assault rifle. Damage. Those are easy. 20 knocks. Brain console. Okay. Kiwi? No. Kiwi or Horizon or Valk. Okay, good. I want to play Kyrie. I would love to play Kyrie. Wait, where's my... Hola!
We will slaughter
Oye,
enemies.
Space Cowboy. My bunny. ¿Cómo estás?
Static to fight.
Podemos jugar en un ratico.
It's time to impress.
But first, I'm gonna be playing X Legends, of course, until I get tired.
This is your champion.
Honor is in the challenge, pride in the victory.
Wait, was I the champion? Oh no. Now people are gonna think I'm good. I'm not really that good.
Let's go.
Did I tell you guys I finally got to Diamond? I need to try to get to Masters this season, but I haven't played Ranked at all. Right there. Aw, oh, come on, Lifeline. You really want to shoot at me, kid? I'll fuck you up.
Recharging my shields.
Oh no. Kill this kid. You're an idiot.
Very good. We finish off the whole squad.
Round one. Beginning ring countdown.
Recharging my shields.
Bless me with sight.
I could have shot at them. Oh, heavy ammo.
Rings nearby.
Oh. Wow, I got so many nades.
Throwing arc.
Hell, what?
Taking fire.
Hell no.
45 seconds.
What is this shit?
Taking a moment to recharge.
Broke their shield now.
I need shields. Nice lifeline. Where is he?
Hands joining.
No way. Oh, shit. Oh no, another team. Oh. Man, come on. That's the other team. Oh no, that's no. It's the same team. Oh shit. Oh no. Nice. Let's go, baby.
Cover me.
The all-father ornaments of victory and life.
Let me go in here because these lifelines like
I need
to
some help over here.
res people in public and everybody can shoot at me. Thank you so much.
Just giving my shields a recharge.
Whoops. Thank you so much. Wait.
Like a care
Oh no, I
package
need
is coming
shield.
in. Big things in that.
That's good enough too, I guess. I thought it was another team shooting at us.
Enemy over there.
Wait, why am I going this way? I don't know, I like the high ground. High ground is always better.
Someone traveled through here. Someone was gathering loot here.
50% of the squads have been eliminated.
Why are they not following?
Someone traveled through here.
I don't want to be alone. Is that the sound of the bird or people running?
Let's explore over there.
Please examine
No!
your map.
No!
I have found the next location of the ring. Come and get your birthday present.
Scanning the area.
Oh.
There are Scotty to be found
Got
in
an
this
extended
direction.
energy mag right here.
Okay, let me go back to my team because if I get caught alone, for sure I'll be dead. Why are they leaving me? Right there again.
We are drawn to Scotty.
That means Scotty is nearby. What does Bloodhound even call them, Scotty? What does that even mean? Gimme, gimme. This is the part of Apex I hate. Running around and trying to find some action going. And it's really quiet. How did this guy know there's a party over here?
Broke their shield now. Bad.
Yeah.
There was a battle here.
There's still a battle with Bloodhound. Don't be a dum-dum.
No more stars. And fencing. If the fence gets crossed, we'll know. I put the ring in. Okay.
Yes, we can
They're just standing there like some bots. Oh.
The enemy.
Come on, fuck. Wait, what? Where'd they go? I don't even see a trail. Like, what? That shit is sus as fuck.
Attention, delivering replicator.
Look, it's raining replicators.
Hey, energy ammo. Wait,
Marking our
I
surroundings.
thought I heard something.
Sorry for the callback.
Enemy right here.
Combat.
The circuit is complete.
Arc star set. Frag grenade set. Turret grenade set. Contact with target.
He's right here. Where'd he go?
Recharge and
Oh shit!
45
I have no shields. Oh, that's not good.
Heal.
Oh no, there's another team.
taken fire.
Oh shit! Fuck no. What? I'm glad that was caught on video because this kid shot at me through the fucking door. Oh, that kid is cheating. Oh, I think that kid is cheating.
Recharge and
Cheating, he's cheating. GG. That's bullshit. I don't know if it's this one or... Yeah, it's him. He's cheating. Or he's smurfing. More likely he's cheating because he shot me through the fucking wall. You guys can see that. I'm still gonna look at the VOD again, and I'm gonna record it and send it to EA so this kid can get banned. Apex is still full of cheaters. Infested. Really sucks.
It's okay, friend. I was.
Got a patty. Okay, we're done with blood. What else we gotta do? That's it. A ring console as a controller legend, right? Or was it? Wait, what? Controller legend, yeah. Anyway, which one? Yeah, let's go with this one. Let's go with the witch. The Wicked Witch. Hey, Willie, what's up? How's it going? Long time no see. Thank you. You're commenting on a diamond, right? Yeah, I got diamond. What rank are you, Willie? Still here? And range is like 65 meters? Okay, that's good to know. Gold 3, okay. The account silver. We should play together. Ranked and see where how far we can get. I'm pretty sure together with you we can get to masters for sure. If you could get a third, I could carry. Oh my god, I didn't see that you were first. Thanks for dropping by, Willie. It always.
Smoke, make 'em broke.
My stream looking okay?
All that matters is being the last one alive.
Hold up, my door is open.
All the magic that I've known, I've had to make myself. Introducing your champion. Violence for
The Wicked Witch.
Oh, quite the catchphrase that.
I have no music playing in the background today.
Huh. And I just finished a protection spell.
Ooh, let's go here.
Let's draw down
I like this place. There's always action. People from there go here. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4 team. Okay, we good. 3, 4, 5. Come on, I don't want this one. That sucks. Why are you here, Bangalore? Give me some light ammo,
I'm out of light ammo.
motherfucker. Now I have nothing. I can't help now. Give me that B2020 and a fucking charge rifle.
Gotta hop up here.
What am I gonna do with this? Give me something good. Oh yes.
Attention. First blood.
Throwing a frag. Throwing Dark Star.
We gotta watch out because these people are gonna come through.
Reloading.
Oh,
Need a lead.
oh shit. Oh shit, I'm so dead. I need help.
The enemy's on me.
I need help.
Ambush, ambush.
Oh god.
Off the mic. Spotted. Silence. Got the enemy.
Oh shit. Oh, okay.
My shields are recharged.
Oh,
Dropped an enemy. That was the last of them.
Tango near me. Need lead.
Spotted. Double timing it. Reloading.
Give my shields a recharge.
it's that same fucking.
Take
the-
a knee.
It's a
Patching up.
Pathfinder.
Frag out. Warning. Frag out.
I'll take them up here.
Oh shit. Don't stand in the window. Give me that. No! No! Motherfucker!
Healing. Watch my back. New kill leader. Call him if you spot him.
Get up, get up. Where'd he go? Motherfucker ran. Oh, he's up there. Fuck.
Watch yourself. There's another squad attacking.
Hit them.
Package coming down from the stars.
Oh, a ring console.
Light ammo here. Opening fire. Recharging my shield.
Are they coming down? Motherfucker. Die!
Reload.
He's one! He's one! Bitch. Get fucked.
Reloading.
Where's his body? Hey. Oh, he's right there. No.
Reloading.
Did they res him? Now I need that back, but I don't have it.
I'm taking shots.
Need to recharge my shields.
Did he die? No.
Frag.
Come on.
New kill lead.
Fuck.
Recharging my shields. We need restoration. Healing.
Healing up. Taking fire. Give me a sec. Recharging shield.
You're not coming in. You're not invited, kid. Now this kid is so annoying. I'm gonna fuck you up again.
Chimney.
Oh shit. Why does he keep doing this? He's so annoying.
Need to recharge my shields. Enemy spotted.
Oh, they're coming down.
Frag out.
That motherfucker. They rezzed him. How? I'm gonna kill you.
Star out. Off the
Again.
mic. Spotted. Arc star out.
Go here. Hurry.
Smoke out.
Let's join the party.
Come on in.
Up here, up here, up here. Yo. Okay. No, what? Okay. Oh no. The other team. Fuck.
This time I'm down.
Shit, I should put my wall. Huh?
Strong enough to pierce.
There you go.
Looks like that was the last one.
Come on, come on. Fuck. Oh no. There's another team.
Shields need a bit more power.
Oh no, there's another team up there too. Come on.
Watch out! Enemies here.
Someone just. Oh shit. Get in, get in.
Safety's off.
Fuck.
Folks. Enemies here.
Good. We're in the next. All right. You need a charm bag and.
Sorry, didn't know. I wasn't paying attention. Sorry.
Phoenix check-in.
Use this Phoenix kit, bro.
Using a Phoenix kit.
Use this Peony.
Keep it in the chimney.
Pierce.
We're a little bit protected.
I'm healing.
Man, this witch is pretty good. I can block the doors and stuff. I think I'm gonna start playing her more. There's a lot of loot in the boxes front. I need light ammo. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Can you stop? Jeez.
My shields need a bit more power.
Fucking shit, bro. Oh, he's in here. Is he?
Go.
Spotted. Double timing it.
Is he in here? Motherfucker. I'm gonna kill you.
Shooting at an arc.
You're gonna die, kid. Do not come in here.
Give me a sec.
You again. This motherfucker's so annoying. He keeps coming and then leaving again. So annoying. What? He's so annoying. They're trying to be smart, man. Gee. They outplayed us. Trying to be smart, motherfuckers. One in the one window, one in the other window. I don't know. I don't know what to do in that situation, basically. Tell you the truth. Oh, I love that match. That. Oh, with Octane. Fast-paced game. You play like every day? Awesome. That's good. Thing looks good. On a phone? Okay. Yeah, I haven't streamed in a long time actually. I've been really busy with work. Getting awesome deals to do advertisement with people, big companies. It's been a really good time. But I've been really, really busy.
Safety's off. Weapons free.
Can be lurking? Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Thank you for dropping by. I appreciate it as always. Yeah, work is going really good. Yes. All right, I'll send you a message on Discord and ask your availability so we can play some ranked. Of course, we gotta play some pubs first, you know. Get the warm-ups in, and then we can play some ranked. Get to our masters. That would be a first for both of us. That would be amazing.
Go faster! Arcstar!
Ah! Oh, 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 oh! Go up here. Oh, nice. Go up here. Oh no! Go up here. No. There's someone on you. Fuck. Fuck. No, 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 get up! No! So many. 0 kill, 75 damage? These guys have 0-0. That's incredible. Oh, he's just standing here. MNK base. What? Oh, come on. Is he here? Bro, what? Oh, this kid's a noob. Why is he still there? What? This kid's a noob. Oh no. Our teammates are also noobs. Wait, what? Who shot at me? Oh. How did I miss?
You shooting
Oh,
blanks or you just miss a lot?
Yeah, it looks like I'm shooting blanks. Jeez. How did I miss that shit? Oh no. Fuck. Yeah, he died instantly. You killed him? Oh, baby. That one kid still has 0. That's incredible. Oh, they're all over there. Come on. Oh, yo! Stop shooting me in my back. Ow. That's all they do. Only way they can win. Oh, come on! No.
Charging up my shields.
Have some GGs. Oh, for sure.
Give me a sec.
Oh, come on. Wait, what? Where's this thing? Good. Oh. Nope. Oh. Oh, that kid is one. Oh, wow. How is he not dead, bro? How is he not dead? Did someone kill him? I don't see him green over here. Now he's dead. This shit is so annoying. Yo, can you stop shooting me behind my back? What? Oh my god, this is making me rage. Oh, he's the kill leader, no fucking wonder. I'm coming for you. Backstab. Go, go, go. Motherfucker. Yo, what? Let's shoot this thing.
It's go time.
Oh, gimme. Wait, what? Who's shooting at me? Wait, what? I don't see anybody. Why can't I see anybody? Ouch. Come on. Man, am I blind or something? Yo, this kid beams. Not even on controller. Ooh. I love this gun. Yo, what? It's a kiwi. No! Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. No! No! Too many! Wait, what? Oh, we won? That's good. GG's. Oh yes, Team Deathmatch. This is my favorite game mode. Gotta play... What was it? Gibby, Falk, or Bloodhound, I think. Oh, come on, show me. Gibby. Horizon. Okay. Wait, I like Falk. I like Kyrie. What's in the store? Look at this shit. I don't know. I think this thing's so ugly. It's different, but it's... I don't know. Nothing for me. I mean, the Wingman, though. The Wingman looks great. I would love to have this. But for this price, 35 bucks? Are they stupid? These people, they're kidding, right? 25 bucks. I would pay 10 bucks for this. Like, what the hell? 25 bucks? What if I want all of them, you know? Gonna set me back about 100 bucks just for a stupid game. Hell no. Not doing that. There are better things to do with money. Like investing and getting a return on your money instead of investing in this game. You get nothing in return. Except for fun times, I guess. Gonna play Kyrie.
I'm only headed one way, and that's up,
Man,
baby.
she's so pretty. Look at that, wow. Two fuses. Fusies. Oh, there's a brat match. What a creepy laugh.
Days out. Fox 3, missile off the rails. Throwing thermite.
Oh, that was a bad term. Wow, I didn't hit any.
Recharging shields.
What? How did it hit me in the head?
Bogey over there.
Why are you focusing me, kid? Fuck off! Oh shit. Idiot. Fucking idiots. Why is my team over here? I don't.
Wings out.
Don't leave me alone. He's chasing me. I can hear his footsteps. I'm playing like a pussy right now.
Box 3, jumping the pods.
Oh.
Wings out.
No! What? Bro. Focus on one thing at a time.
Wings up.
Don't be looking at everything.
Wings out.
Oh shit. Did we just kill you, bro? We just fucking killed you, didn't we?
Wings up.
I need help!
Thermite out. Charging up my shields.
Ah! Let's go, baby.
Wings out.
Wait.
Box 3, visual clear.
Attention. Delivering care.
Bogey here. Wings up.
Bro.
Wings out.
What? How is he not dead, bro? Help! Come on, you guys. Help me out. Can you guys not see there's like 3 coming at me? Oh my god. Teammates are fucking trash. Hold up, let me check the scoreboard. Oh, I'm trash compared to them. Oh. You were on me, right? I'm gonna kill you. Bitch.
Recharging shields.
Give me. Oh, I can't wall bounce with this kid.
Wings out.
Oh no. I can't see him. Oh hell no! Wait, what? What was that?
Recharging shields.
Oh. Harry, right?
Wings up.
Oh shit. Fucking die already.
Wings out.
Come on.
Wings up.
Oh. Oh, they spawned in. I wonder. Ah, you shooting me behind my back again, motherfucker? Jeez. Ah! It's working on my nerves. Shooting me in my back. Fuck him up.
Alert 5. Ready to scorch for burn. Main engine burn.
Did you kill him?
This is a blood sport.
Fucking shit.
Wings up.
I can't bunny hop and I can't I can't wall bounce. Oh shit, this kid just jumped right here. Shooting. Guns blazing. Gotcha. Aren't you the one always shooting me behind my back? Oh shit. Wait, what? None of it hit?
Wings out.
Gimme. Really? You're gonna do that, kid?
Wings up.
You can't hit me with the bow. Oh shit. Ah, too bad you were in the last kill. Let's go, baby. Wait, I want to see my score. How did I do? Oh. Not the best, but not the worst. Let's go. And we got 2 digits. Let's go, baby. We gotta do that ring console thing, right? Like a controller legend. The Wicked Witch. Oh, wait. An epic pack? See, now that's some bullshit. 2 white, boring little things, and look at this. What is this? This is trash. Trash. Man, these people are horrible. Charging me $35 for something cool, and then giving me trash for epic packs. That's I wish they would change and start gifting us awesome things instead. That would be lovely. $58 players. I guess nobody's playing at this moment on the servers I'm playing. What day is it? Sunday. Okay. Let's see, how long have I been streaming for? Because I want to play some Rocket League after this with my bunny.
I wish for
Rocket League with my bunny.
results.
Magic is in the eye of the beholder.
Today will be our day. Fight Rieger.
This is your champion.
Mind over matter. Unless the
Oh
matter
no, don't put me as a champion. Oh man, people are gonna come out for me. I don't like that. Please leave me alone, people.
Battle lies below.
Like that. Oh shit, we got 1, 2, 2 teams. No, no. Give me something good. Yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Attention.
Okay.
Massive shotgun here.
I'm taking fire.
Wait, what?
Enemy spotted. Target getting shot at. Another variable for the lab rats. Shields adding another hit.
Pierce through the mundane.
Oh, come on. What the heck? What was that?
I'm getting
What?
shot.
This motherfucker.
Recharging shield.
Got a good weapon though, that's the thing.
This ring is far.
I'm
Oh
out of energy
shit.
ammo.
I should probably go get that mask
The ring's far. We have a minute to center ourselves in it.
if nobody else took it. Oh, they took it.
Close. Spotted one. Close.
The ring's still far, and we have 45 seconds to change that.
Where'd you see him? Oh, he's right
I
here.
think we should go over here. The enemy has arrived. I hear enemy activity this way. Be mindful.
I'm taking fire. All Father, give me sight. Enemy spotted.
Fine, give me something good.
Reloading. Hostile spotted.
Attention.
Are they behind us?
Getting shot
Fuck no.
We
There's
have
no way I didn't hit him.
shields.
recharging shields.
What? There's no way, bro. There's no way. There's just no way.
I'm taking fire.
He's up top. PG.
You seem a
Shut the fuck up, you little bitch. I'm sorry, I'm hostile. No audio sounding, cheating, hacking
I'm a
little
man
shit.
eater and a lady killer.
Oh.
I enjoy variety.
Oh, okay. Fair Loga. Still haven't used the ring console. I need to use it like 9 more. And then reach 1. Okay. And then surviving as an assault. Legend. Okay. Was it pretty easy? This is my name, by the way, now. Leave them alone. But I'm gonna change it back to Lua. This is another account.
They call magic.
This is a different account because my original account got banned for spamming. So fucking stupid. They don't ban actual cheaters and game
This is
abusers,
your champion.
but they ban people that spam chat.
By the time you see me coming,
That's some
I'll be
bullshit.
going, and you'll be gone.
I'm the jump master.
Respawn is
Don't
trash.
worry, this isn't the first time I've led a
I
ritual.
won, Papa.
Call us shooting stars!
Yes. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, so many people.
Feel that spot.
Oh no, there's people coming in here too. Oh? Yeah, this one.
Pierce their heart. End the feat.
No. Ah, weapon! It's one! It's one! The Pathfinder's one, he's right here.
Enemy.
He's one shot, he's one shot. Yes. Oh no, there's another guy. We should go heal. Oh, he's coming that way, he's coming. Yeah, I knew he could do it.
You were created.
Yeah. I still haven't gotten a chance to use the rank console. Yeah, if I keep dropping hot like this, it's not gonna happen. Maybe I should play it safe now until I finish my goals and reach my goal, and then we can play aggressive again. Let's tone it down a little bit. No? Man, this takes so long. Bounce ball. Burning Sodom.
Anything
Okay.
you don't understand, they call magic.
The end is decided. Trust it.
This guy is biblical. Yeah, that's scary. That's so scary. Ski mask. Hello, what's up? Thanks for joining.
This is your champion.
Don't blink during the main event. Thanks for dropping by. For saying hi. What rank are you in this game? Do you even play this game? Oh yeah, you do. Right. What rank are you? I need someone to carry me to Masters. I know you do.
Place to land.
I remember. I used to look at your stream too. Oh, you haven't grinded season? Okay. Yeah, I haven't either this season. That's why I'm looking for people to not really grind, but to just reach maybe diamond or masters. The easy way, you know? On a relaxed way. Let's see, is there a ring console over here? You should be able to see it on the map, right? Wait. Give me a weapon, Apex. What is this? What is this? Bullshit.
Wow, looks like the next ring drew us in.
I need a weapon.
Hear that? Sounds like there's an enemy in the distance.
I usually find some really good stuff down here, so let's see. Oh, nice bag. Hey, there we go. Do not come down here, Bloodhound. Oh, yes. Hey. Wait. Why? Where are you going, kid? Okay. Oh, let's join the party. Go, 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 go.
Hostile over there.
Oh, wait. That boy's dead. I need his armor. Fuck. No. Oh, shit.
Good. Gathering materials.
Gimme. Hit.
Recharging shield.
Come on.
Backpack here. Level 2.
Why do I have so many things I don't use? Oh shit, they're pushing probably. Oh, there's another team.
There.
Another team on the side.
Evac tower here. Well, looks like half the squads have vanished.
I need energy ammo. Do you have a new kill leader?
Light ammo here.
Healing my wounds.
It's a good thing that other team came. Because we needed them. We needed the distraction. Wait, let me level up my armor. Pretty risky, but it's better than going with a white armor. You did.
Reloading. I downed a hostile.
What the fuck? Is that the rank console? Oh, come on, bro. Oh, there's someone right here.
Over here.
Where is he?
Another squad
Come on, leave me alone.
Recharge shield.
If someone comes behind us, we're fucked.
Reload.
Oh, there's another team joining in. Come on, stop missing!
Enemy over there.
Okay. I knew it, man. That's what I was regretting. If someone comes behind us, we're fucked. Oh shit.
My shield made
Oh shit. Now we're sandwiched.
grenade incoming.
We have nowhere to go. Oh, dude. Oh, fuck no. Oh! Fuck no. What? What? Jeez. Look at that shit.
Got bamboozled.
Who are these people? Ow. It was at that moment I knew we fucked up. When we were getting sandwiched, I was like, yeah, it's over. Oh. Bro! He's just ignoring that option. So funny.
Now.
You playing ranked now? No, I'm not playing ranked right now. I need people to play ranked with before I play ranked. I don't want to play with randoms. It's so frustrating playing with randoms. Very, very frustrating. Yes, I was the Loba main. No, I don't play cat. I'm just doing my daily... What are they called? Daily goals or whatever.
If the gods will it, we win.
Yeah, when I shoot with the PK, I think my distance is way too far. That's why I hit it for like 11. I need to be up close, up in their face, you know?
Nothing like cold steel on a hot day.
You're about to main cat? Yeah, she's really good. I've noticed she's really, really good. Friend code? Okay. That's your friend code on
This is your
Steam?
champion.
Because I use EA to log in, so...
I am the jump master.
Alright.
Let's descend from the
Okay,
cosmos.
okay. Oh, I want to go there.
Well, we have an enemy out there.
No, we don't.
Over there. Hostile spotted.
Why is this bloodhound doing that? Oh no, we're not gonna make it. Are we gonna make it? I'm gonna go in the middle. Oh, purple armor! Get it, get it!
Let's
Ah.
explore this way. Marking our surroundings.
Oh, baby. But I have a shitty weapon. Oh! Fuck no! Oh shit, they're pushing.
Enemy in my face.
They're pushing, they're pushing. Ah, it's over. Yeah. That was rough. That was so bad. You got hacked off Origin? Really? Oh. Well, I got banned by EA for spamming chat. That's so fucking stupid. I use EA. Origin doesn't work anymore, does it? Another reason I have a 2-way authenticator. Yeah, 2FA. It's always a good idea to put a 2FA. Because people like to hack accounts. It's so stupid. Did Origin ever work? True. I guess not. If you're saying you got hacked off of that, yeah. Origin was the problem. Now they're using like the EA login. I hope it's more secure.
We survive together.
But I also have Steam, so...
moon is bright. Let's channel the feminine energy.
I gotta check you out on Steam. The thing is, I never bought any games on Steam, so I'm not
This is
sure
your
if I can add
champion.
you. Yeah. Right? I'll look it up.
Yo, we got comms.
Yeah. This ain't ranked. Why is he asking for that? Yeah. Where are we going, boys?
I say we land here.
Right there.
Right.
Better lies below.
Roger that.
Primate and Masters? Man, if only there was a rookie trail.
You do have a trail. It's orange.
Actually, mine actually changes colors, so mine's actually better.
That's true. That's very true. Yeah, he's right. Oh my god, give me a weapon. Trash game, bro. Where have these been? So there.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Let's hope I don't find
Yeah,
anybody
anyone
here.
knows him. I don't even know. I don't think it was.
I don't think so. I think we were alone.
We're close
Ooh.
to the ring with a minute to spare.
Yeah. This is good. Wait. Oh, okay. Did I grab this today? Oh.
Extended heavy mag.
Yo, we got comms? No, that's exactly what I wanted to say. Like, this ain't ranked. We don't need comms. What is this?
Ooh.
This guy's taking it way too serious. And he's like the rook of our team.
Here.
The noob.
The ring is close, but we only have 30 seconds
But I
left.
can't call him a
No
noob.
pressure.
Extended heavy mag here.
I'm not sure.
Let's go that way.
No! Wait, what? No.
Marking our
Guess
surroundings.
there are guys over
Perfect.
here. Nope, actually they're that way.
Let's explore these.
Why?
Gold to be found in these towers over there.
Okay.
All right
Take
then.
jump tower and then just keep you guys up.
This guy's a master's. Gee.
Trying to like find him first.
I should add him.
In progress.
He doesn't talk though.
We're already in the ring.
Why am I dead sliding?
Yeah, they're over there. Yep,
The
I see them,
rook,
I see them.
yeah.
I'm waiting on top of the building.
He's actually right about the trails though. Because his dive trail changes color. Wait, some people were here.
Scanning?
Give me that.
Marking
They're not here, they ran.
Someone traveled through here recently.
They're running.
Where are they running to?
Wait, did he just leave the game?
Favor from the this box here.
Oh,
I thought
okay.
he left the game or not. Huh?
Yeah, it looks like it. Bad.
I mean, he's being landed on by 3 people, so... Probably do the same.
Pussy.
Extended light magazine here. Extended light magazine here. Level 2.
I'm
Well,
sorry, I was carrying
yeah,
it. I didn't even know.
Extended energy mag here. Level 3.
Yay!
Just what I needed.
Thank you
This is
so
perfect.
much.
Thank you.
Where are we going?
Care package over there. Let me know on that.
I'd say we go here.
Replicator there.
Wait, what? No, I need to go to a
Find
ring
more people.
console.
Oh wait, there's a console beacon and a survey beacon over
Survey
there.
beacon over there.
I saw someone, and I don't think they're selling
I
cookies.
see a ring console.
Yo, try to destroy it. Try to destroy it. Try to destroy it.
Rock tower place.
He dropped.
What's
Holy
that,
shit. Yeah, I was standing in the open. Pretty stupid.
I will assist you.
Pretty stupid of me. Oh shit, they're pushing.
Calling upon nature's strength.
You can't see me. Oh shit, they're coming, huh?
Fly that way.
Oh shit, of course they're. Why am I missing all my shots?
Enemy close.
The Akane skin is so scary, bro. There's a kid.
Right in my space.
Yeah.
Down, down.
And this other one is coming over there.
That one's out.
Climbing up on you.
Where's the...
Missed every shot. Oh my goodness.
That's the
It's
last
so
of them,
bad.
amigos.
Oh my god, I was trash right now. Thanks.
One moment. I must use the Phoenix kit.
My shields need a bit more power.
I missed every shot in the horizon.
Charging up my shields.
Lifeline care pack. There we
Someone
go.
traveled through here.
Shield battery
Yeah.
here. Shield battery here.
I need restoration. Healing.
This is Octane's loot.
Thank you so much. Thanks for the bets.
God.
We can shoot evac.
Someone's using,
Wait, hold up.
crypto.
You didn't know that?
Wait, was that crypto map room? Yeah, that was.
A
I need
console
to
here
use this
to divine the next ring.
for my daily goal. There we go. That's the first one. Now I have like 8 more to
Okay.
go.
Got 300 light ammo now. I think I'm good.
I got 18 damage. I should stop running in the open like this.
2 to 4. I'm gonna scan the
Survey beacon over there.
Yeah.
that thing. See where these fellas are.
Took some materials.
Probably
Wait.
like on this side of the map. There's a few.
Thank you so
on the
much.
market.
Yo, got us some material.
Hey, there's nothing good.
Hold on. I'm feeling crafty.
Yo, crafting over here.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
I have gathered materials.
Buenos días. We need to scan the ring. Pronto.
Gimme! What trail? Oh, there's someone
Gotta get
near
the
us?
raid and see if I can.
Our teammate needs us. Get their banner.
All Father, give me sight.
What?
Yeah, it's leading us to the guys in market.
Let us follow it.
I have my ult again. That's awesome. So quick. You haven't played this season like at all? Really?
I
Wow.
like how open this is.
No way.
To the, Wait, they're not here yet. They're probably in market now.
Let's explore over there.
Yeah.
Yes.
A train to it, Scotty. Let us catch
Yep,
them
they're on
up
top. 2. 2 are on top.
there. Target over there.
Am I getting myself killed again?
Healing.
Damn it.
Recharging shield.
I should start using the head glitch.
You good, teammate? You good, G?
Come on, man.
Look out, grenade.
Recharging shield.
Chill here, chilling here, chilling here. Standing.
Marking our surroundings.
Look out, grenade.
Yo. Jeez. Leave me alone.
90. Nice, nice, nice.
Down one. Charging up my shields.
Lifeline's going to res.
He's pushing, he's pushing.
Dead, dead.
Another one down.
Should I go there? Oh.
Getting shot at.
Nice, nice, nice.
Bro, bro, bro.
That one's out for the
Back up, back up. Lifeline's right here.
The charm bag and a sense of self-preservation.
Oh shit, they're coming. How does he know? How does he know?
I got knocked down, knocked down, knocked
Some
down.
bullshit.
She can't res the lifeline.
That's some bullshit.
She's right here. She threw a nade over.
How could they hold up?
There's a
Like,
nade right
what?
Here, there's a nade right here. Fuck up.
Grenade.
Nice. Another team.
Enemy.
Yeah.
Space.
Yeah, she's right there.
It's my wall, it attracted
There's
them.
another team.
Oh, I'm
Another
dead.
team. Run, 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 G.
Another squad is attacking.
GG.
Yeah, GG.
just call me Lifeline because I save a life.
Shut the fuck up, Lifeline. Hate you so much right now. 0 kills? Fuck that. That was so embarrassing. The Rook outplayed me. Let's do some team deathmatch. Get this thing rolling. Hold up, what? Oh, these are for the daily challenges for non-BR. What are we gonna play? Let's do Maggie. Unless they ask us to do otherwise. I've done these. Oh, there's nothing else to do here. Oh, what is that? Looks nice. I got the purple one already. Pretty cool. I like to look at the iron sight. Looks good. Wait, I have that? Hmm. What do I want to replace it with? Yeah, this one. We're good. What else did we get? Mm-hmm. Ew. It's ugly. Disgusting. Now this is a good one. I'm happy about this. Look at that. That looks great. Amazing. Manual mode, full automatic. Oh, you can change it, right? What? You can change it? Hold up. They don't put that on the gun for no reason, right? That looks pretty good. They don't put that on the weapon for no reason, right? You can change the manual mode and full automatic? I don't know. Interesting. They'll wait till they fix their shit, or just pay casually. Yeah. Hot Chop get 3 kills and a whole squad and still got... Oh, yeah, that's true. Last season was like that. Is it the same this season? That sucks. Last season I had so many good games in ranked, killed so many people, but got like the minimum amount of RP. It's crazy. So disappointing. Makes you not wanna play ranked, basically. Really sucks.
This vile game took everything from me. Perhaps I can take some of it back.
Fighting the good fight. All nui, poor nui.
Let's go. There's Kyrie. Looking good. Right. It's time to roll some people, literally. Throw a big fat ball at them. Roll them. That shit is scary as fuck. Get up here, Tess. They're probably gonna come for me. Oh no, kid! Wait, who's shooting at me? Oh, it's not. What am I doing? I never played Maggie. No! Oh no, they killed you, Gibby! They killed Gibby! Like, they killed Kenny? They killed Gibby! Where is he? Oh, he died? Man, I can't see shit. No! No, that's how you play Maggie. My kid got burned. Man, I can't see shit. Okay. Damn.
Charging my shield, cuzzy.
Gibby probably died, huh? Poor Gib. Come on. Fucking die. Oh my gosh, bro. There's no way. I had to reload right now. Damn. Man, I missed every shot. Ooh. Get wrecked, kid. In the face. Gimme. Oh no. No, he's up there. Shit. Oh shit. No. Oh shit, he's one shot. Really want to do that, kid? No! No! How? Like, what? You guys saw that, right? He shot me through the fucking wall. There's no way. This game is so broken. It shot me through the wall. There's no fucking way. I can't believe this shit. Wait, I want... yeah. But this iron sight, yes. Let me see him fly. Wow! I could never do that. I've tried. Nice, kid! You're not going anywhere. What? Fuck him up! Oh, he threw his ult. Give me nades. Yeah. What's... Okay. Okay, buddy. We got a sniper. Up top.
Charging my shields.
Drilling right through yous.
I like to go for the snipers. I hate them. They annoy me too much. Ooh, what is that? Oh. Does it have any bullets? Oh, just two? One more round. Let's try to Kraber this kid.
I surge through the shadow of the valley of death.
Aw, too bad. Wait, just one more?
Recharging shields.
Bro, you're so lucky. Where are you? How did I miss him, bro? Oh shit! I just gifted him a Kraber. That sucks. Damn it, I need to go get it back. Probably gonna go up top. He was over there, right? Somewhere.
Zip line over there.
Maggie, shut up. That's not what I was trying to say. Oh, really? Wow, it works. Oh, what? Thank you. Is that a Loba? I love this one. Come on, reload. I can't see shit. Sucks when I can't see shit. Motherfucker, where you going? No, you're not going anywhere. Ah. Oh no, no more ammo on this one. Oh shit. Gimme! Shit. Hit it! Hit it with the big roll! Oh, what? Wow! They're all over me. What's my score? Ah, not too bad. Oh shit. Oh, I got the last kill. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Alright, I'm getting hungry now, so I think I'm gonna close the stream for now. Gonna make myself some food. And then wait, let's do one more round. Then I'm gonna cook myself something, some steak and something. I don't know what yet. Maybe fries. Much easier, quicker. And then I can come back and play some more games. Then I'm gonna play with my buddy. I'm gonna play some Rocket League. Maybe later I'll play a little bit of ranked. I'm not sure yet. I don't feel like playing a ranked on a Sunday. I just wanna relax today and have fun. So maybe tomorrow. Thank you, try again tomorrow. How am I gonna play this round?
Anything but random, if your eyes are open. I gave up a nice, quiet evening for this. Let's make it worthwhile.
Death stalks the ignorant. Intelligence will guide us to survival.
I like Gibby on this map. Not Gibby, Gas Daddy on this map. I could put it in the corners in the buildings, and people would never know unless they just run into it. I got 0 season 8 kills, 18. Okay, let's have fun with this. Don't go over there. Come on.
Recharging shields.
Ah. Wait, what? damn it, like, I was like, when are you gonna die? Yeesh. So many bullets in him. I mean, he's a machine. Of course he wouldn't die.
My shields need a bit more power.
Come at me, bro.
I still see everything. Shields are recharging.
Bro, fucking die.
Recharging shields.
My shields need a bit more power.
It takes too many shots to kill someone in this game. What's going on? My aim is shit. Come on, come on. Oh shit. No. Fucking die, yeah. Jeez. How did he not die? Did they nerf this weapon? They probably did, because back in the last season, well, 2 seasons ago, this fucking weapon just destroyed. You're kidding.
Recharging shields.
You're kidding. Tackle. There's no way, bro. He almost killed me.
Recharging shield.
Squad is approaching.
I'm sorry, teammate.
My shields need a bit more power.
Wait. Are you fucking dead yet or not? Jeez. Like, for real, like... Damn, bro. No! Why is he standing there? Why is he standing there? I can make damage though, but I can't finish the job. Come on, stop that sliding. Oh shit. No! Fuck! No! Fuck off me, kid! Holy shit, that kid works on my nerves! Okay, that makes me want to play another round, because this is some bullshit. It's just standing still like a fucking bot and throwing knives at me. Fuck off! Find something better to do with your life. Yeah, I gotta redeem myself. This is some bullshit. That was bad. Some bull poop. I can't believe that bot got me though. Trying to jump and move around, but I guess I was jumping and I got stuck on the wall. And that's when I knew I fucked up. A beautiful bird outside the window. Come on, game. I ain't got all day. We hungry here. Come on. And still, we gotta wait 7 seconds.
If I may be honest,
I'm watching.
I find death
I'm always
fascinating.
watching.
What is this crypto gonna do?
Break a leg. Mine are made of steel.
Oh, they're on rollers. That's good. Oh, it's about to go down. We're gonna win. We got some roller people. What? These kids are gonna destroy the lobby. Maybe? We'll see. Bam! No! What?
This is my
Jeez!
favorite part.
I should have known I shouldn't stand there like a bot. That was my own fault. 0 damage? Damn. Ah! Man, why don't these kids die? Like what? That's some bullshit, bro. How can he shoot me from that corner? This is some bullshit, bro. I'm gonna kill this kid. Fucking die, little shit. Piss me off. That really makes me rage. Like, how could you shoot at me from an angle and it actually hits? That's some bullshit. Come on, run.
I still see everything.
Sure. Oh, we got a camper. Great. Fucking camper.
Ain't no butler here.
So stupid. This is this team right here.
Remember that.
Can I get fused instead? Yeah. We got some campers. Bro. What? Okay, that's it. That's it. Fuck. Oh, that's good too. This guy. That's it. This guy's a camping in there. So stupid. Wait, who's up there? Like what? Is this kid a controller? Nah, this kid is cheating, bro. That's some bullshit. That's some bullshit right there.
You can't keep a hard bloke down.
Faster, faster, faster.
That's some bullshit right there, bro.
Bit of a knuckle sandwich. Let me knuckle
Fucking die.
Juice in me shield.
Fucking die. Fuck off. Oh, he's one too.
Recharging my shields.
Fun. Yeah, that's some bullshit. There's no way! Let me kill this kid! Leave me alone!
Now here, I take out the trash myself.
I wish I could play Octane. For real. I can run in and out and kill them. Look at that. What? How do you insta-kill me at full health? Get the fuck out of here with this bullshit, bro. Get the fuck out of here. These kids fucked up. There's no way. There's no way. These kids are using me. Come on. Fucking kill him. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. I kept moving just so he doesn't hit me. He still hits me. How? Can someone explain that to me? Bro, you're a hella annoying, kid. Fuck off. Fucking die. Thank you. Die. Ah. Where's that jump at? Oh shit. Fuck. That's some bullshit. I need to go again. I guess I have an attitude because I'm hungry. And I'm playing like shit. Hell no, no controller. Forget that. Let me just do a Loba match. Lover. I love this skin, look at that. So cool. I especially like the part that I get to look at the red gloves the whole game. Gorgeous. Look at those nails. It's amazing. These are my favorite skins. My favorite Lola skin. Ah, too bad. You're gonna have to see them next time. Let's see how long we gotta wait again. Wait, we got a duo with us. I saw two people in the same spot. Oh, it's just one person. Great. Thanks, Apex. Thank you so much. Glad to see you fixed your game.
2681.
Respawn.
After what I've seen, nothing down there scares me.
Okay, we got a plat.
Here's your champion. Give this one a challenge, or die trying.
Okay, I'm alone. Okay, it's a solo v3. Go. Let's chase some people. Those three look like noobs. I'm gonna chase them. Where are they going? They're going this way. Okay. Ah, they changed. I want to be with you, guys. Oh no, these are not good weapons. Come on, come on, come on, give me something good. I need good armor.
Round one. Beginning ring countdown to death. First blood. I can taste it.
Already inside the ring. Now they'll have to come to me. Taking fire.
Oh shit, this is over.
Throwing jump drive.
Run!
Recharging my shields.
You're dead, kid. You can't 1v me. I always win. Octanes are like little horny kids. Should I say honey? Honey? Little honey kids thinking they're good. Just run into the situation and win. No. Doesn't work like that, kid. I'll be right back.
This outfit could use some high caliber accessories.
Don't watch me, mate. Your maw's about to get a little unladylike.
With the right moves, take this win.
Oh, we got a sweaty wraith. Let's go. This is about to go good. Go well. Oh.
Here's your champion. Give this one a challenge.
Let me keep pushing myself while being hungry and see how far I can get.
None of you scare me.
Let me just push on and see how well I can do. I'm not feeling so good. With that, I mean the hunger, you know?
Here we go.
I need to go cook for myself right now, but I'm just too addicted to this game. Shit, is that a Pred?
Let's head that way. Forget
It's
it.
a Pred. He had a Pred, Len.
Keep your eyes peeled. An enemy landed near me.
Aw, shit. Oh!
Broken enemy shield. Raise 6 damage. Enemy shield broken.
Another squad attacking.
No, don't die! Don't die! Don't die.
Reloading.
Recharging my shields.
Patching my
Get a weapon, get a weapon! Fuck off, you zombie motherfucker!
first blood.
Wait,
Reload.
I'm coming for you, kid.
Recharging my shields.
Where's he at?
And you're down.
Oh,
Recharging my shields.
where?
Left now.
You're getting me! Oh my god. There's no way.
Enemy right here.
What a noob. It doesn't look like he's gonna do anything. Let's just wait and see. Let's give him a minute to shine. Let's see how he dies. Because he is gonna die. He doesn't have good armor.
Yes, and by the next ring.
I know, right? He chose right to play passive. Oh shit. Told you. Yeah, I don't think I like this map. This map is making me die. Or maybe the people on this server just woke up and now they're just so many tryhards. Shut up, chicken. Can you guys hear that chicken in the back? What the hell? Can you guys hear that? Shut up, chicken, or I'll turn you into a fillet. No, I can't kill chicken. I mean, I love chicken, but I'm not into killing animals. Nope, can't do it. Yo, this is taking so long.
Rock up. It's time to move out. Can't stop, won't stop.
Gold goes so well with a diamond like me.
Here's your champion. Give this one a challenge, or die trying.
Not an Asian ball raid. That's good.
I feel good.
Come by Casa de Octane for a cold one.
Pain, death.
How about there? Non terre plus ultra! Maddie landed by me. Eva 8 here. No need to worry about short stroking a pump. Wingman here.
Knockdown shield here. Look, there's a weapon supply bin here. Would love to take a peek.
Round one.
Found extra supplies.
Arm up.
Jump drive activated. Enemy over there. Don't let them see you.
He closed those windows? That sucks. Give me energy. Guys, don't leave. Ah! What is that?
Found some materials.
Enemy spotted.
Roger.
Roger that.
Got time.
I have no nades. Too bad. Fuck. What?
Taking fire.
Oh no, you're gonna die.
Bad guys, let's do it.
Reloading. Got him.
Come on.
Double timing it.
We're already in the next ring. Good. More time to loot.
Why did he leave? Man, I can't see shit. Fuck, I can't see shit. Oh shit. No, bro.
I'm down.
These third parties. Oh my. Yeah, I should have told him. Another team. Dang. Okay, all the sweats are out now. All the sweats are out. Unbelievable. Man, I haven't had a kill. It was like an hour ago. I don't know. Okay, we gotta close the stream on a good note. Get a good game.
Pay attention. You might learn a thing or two.
Oh, I was gonna play the witch. Yeah, man, bro.
Let's channel her feminine energy.
Let me play this one.
Even gunpowder needs a spark.
Let's play this girl. Let's play her. My banner looks great. So colorful.
Meet your champion. Lots of kills by this one.
Oh, I thank everyone who helped me get here. But they're all dead. Hey, Giz.
I'm the jump master. I am honored.
You ever see the witch?
I'm the jump master.
Yes.
Don't worry, this isn't the first time I've led a ritual.
I would love to land here. I love this area.
I say we land here. Get ready. Moving up.
Why'd you jump already? Too soon. Look at that, so many people there. The party. Huh. Why are we going here? Oh shit, there's a team here. Look, there's a team here. Oh no! Bro, how can you see me? No! What? What? I didn't even realize he was here. It's like... Oh my god, bro. Let's go, baby. PK is amazing.
Wow, you worked the magic there.
Where are the boxes?
Just give my shield a recharge.
Hold on, I'm healing. My shields need a bit more power.
Listen up, I'm getting shot. Revive me later. Ain't safe now.
Stop that. You're too young for this team. Wow, the poor champion vanished. Recharging shield.
Fence placed. The circuit is complete.
Help on if you need it.
We're in the next ring. Light ammo here.
Fence deployed.
Coming down.
Oh shit! That kid thinks he can shoot the fortified wall and break it down, but he can't. Bro, are you gonna stay in that window? I'm gonna fuck you up. I'm gonna fuck you up. Come in the window. I'm peeking the window. They can actually do that? There's more than one team here. Shit. What are these kids doing around us? Bro, really? Oh. Can we go up there? No. Bro! Back off me! You broken?
You have an opal. Some shields back.
Yeah, mate. Can I see?
No more stones.
Thank you.
Fence placed. Fence in position.
These bitches ran like that? Just like that, it's over. Isn't that amazing? Man, I need energy ammo.
Out of energy ammo.
I'm out of energy ammo.
No, you don't.
I need shotgun ammo.
Okay, we're all out of ammo. Sucks.
Let's go that way.
I thought I heard someone. It's just Lifeline being loud.
Might be something good that way.
Oui.
Energy ammo.
R301 here.
Ah.
Dibs.
Ooh. Shotgun ammo. What is that? Wow. It looks great.
Thank you.
Double shotty? You can't do that.
Optic here. Mid-range.
Light ammo here.
Looking for sniper optics.
Light ammo here.
There's a lot of light
Light
ammo.
ammo here. Laser sight
On its way
here.
down.
Level 3. Enemy in the distance.
There's an extended energy mag here.
Where?
Level 3.
Target over there.
Where? Oh. Oh, yeah. Really? No lifeline. We go this way. Oh, that's better than nothing. Damn, I thought he was going that way. They punching each other. They were punching each other. That was so funny.
I'll give them a piercing or
I
two.
need shield.
And fencing. Laying fences.
Wait, no, what are you doing?
Making contact with
Exactly. There's people here.
30 seconds. Rings close.
I need shields.
Oh, they all came here. It's crazy. They're on our roof. Shit.
Coming through. Watch it. I'm taking damage.
No way, bro. No way!
You can keep trying.
They went through all of that and still got to us. I think that's some bullshit. I think that's some bullshit.
Peacekeeper here.
What the fuck? Fuck. Kids are trash. Trash. Any day now, Apex. For real.
The All-Father will gift us today.
You and me, friend.
Can't we do the
blah 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 after? I'm ready
Content right here. The MVP. What's he doing? Come on. Are these people French?
J'avais remarqué, t'inquiète. 79 dans ton crâne.
Yeah, French. Yeah. Bro, really? How? How? Bro. This has to do with the stream, because if I wasn't streaming, I would hit every single one of those shots.
Gros, non, il y avait... Ok, oui. Attends. 36 plus 65 plus 44. 36 plus 44, ça fait... 40, ça fait 80 plus
Oh, there's someone
65.
up there.
Non, il y a pas de putain.
Finally, something connected. Bro, what? How is this kid just hitting everybody? I think that's... Bro. I gotta get out of here. Shit, we're gonna lose this one by a mile. Look,
J'ai vu
that kid was coming for me.
Scanning the area.
Oh, hostiles where? This is horse shit.
Mais oui, il y a un doute qui tombe sur le toit, il met une side.
Bro, this kid is one. Where are you going? Huh?
Non mais ils sont partis.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Oh lui. Oh par contre.
Don't let him kill you, bro.
Mais non mais tu fais shooter partout. Mais littéralement. Mais il fait quoi l'autre teammate?
There's no way. There's no. Okay. I'm so pissed right now. Come on, give me good weapons. Okay.
Mais c'est toi la bangalore de mort. C'est toi la bangalore qui passe avec ton snipe.
Fuck you, kid. Go, go, go.
Mais non mais
bitch.
Tu te fais toujours battre, ok? Toujours. Oh non.
Fuck off.
Mais
He's probably really mad at me now. Fucking die already. Jeez. Why are you pushing me, kid? Don't you know that's a bad idea?
Mais j'en peux plus, gros, il campe sur le toit, man. Putain. Ta gueule, Pathfinder. Putain, arrête de camper sur le toit. Ils sont partout. Ils sont partout.
Oh, we're so dead. Haha! I knew he was mad. He would come to me. How did he know I was there, though? That's the thing.
Oh, fucking
That's the sussy part of this. That's the sussy part.
Ils campent tout avec leur snipe, man, comme des fucking homos morts. Oh, ils sont partout, partout, partout.
Eh, mais ils sont où, lui?
Mais j'ai 640 dégâts.
There's no way, bro.
Je vois personne. On se dans mon pote. Mais t'as vu gros, le domaine, il y avait...
These French kids suck. Too bad.
Oh. Mais... Non, pas vraiment, puis il est juste 3 ans et demi après ça. Ouais, je sais que c'était...
Fuck.
No! Ouais, j'étais avec lui.
Oh, I was like one blow.
Mais non, parce que tout le monde avec qui on joue, ils vont chier. Mais tu sais, j'en ai marre. Ce bâtiment, il arrive, il campe, il reste là avec un sniper.
That's some bullshit, right? That's some bullshit. They're just camping up there. Ooh. No, 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 no. Bro, this pisses me off, yo.
The rest was me showing off.
Bitch.
moi, je trouve ça fou. Faut que t'aies du talent un minimum, là.
Bitch!
Oh, la
It's
c'est juste 105, là.
Yeah, right. They're just gonna count.
Et deux, j'essaie
Fucking
de pas
pussy,
avoir
bro.
Air 300 là.
Fucking pussy.
Oh, je suis dead life.
Don't do that. These kids are wall hack.
Hop là, let's go! Y'en a un sur toi, il est mort, man. En plus, ils prennent nos scopes. De sous-mer. Un des gars qui joue toi.
Avoue que tu fais pas rien.
Non mais gros, je veux juste aller les détruire. J'en peux plus, gros, il joue L-Store, man. Il donne avec une L-Store. Oh, il explique avec une L-Store, avec... Nul.
Mais frère, je comprends pas.
Hey, you better not come look here, cause I'm gonna fuck you up.
C'est fou, ils sont partout.
Frère, tiens, on a chez lui, on a
75, je crois.
No way. Where do I have to shoot?
Mais gros, tu sens quand tu joues ou ben... Mais c'est pas récent,
You
man.
little bitch.
Ça va être juste en haut. C'est pas moi. C'est ça, tu joues pas t'entends rien.
Bitch. I'm better than you. The fuck you think, kid? Oh, I can't go up there? Fuck. Oh! Fuck. A good hit.
C'est des enfants, man.
Don't die.
Bah oui, c'est déjà un enfant, c'est des enfants aussi.
He's coming to me.
What the fuck?
Hello. Oh, come on, guys. Why'd you let him kill ya? Alright. Let me go put my food while I keep streaming. I don't want to play this game more. I just want to play Team Deathmatch. All good. Let's go. I'll be right back.
No cluster foxtrots in my unit. Let's run this.
Break a leg. Mine are made of steel.
Ready to go. Seen?
Back right on time, but my hands are wet. Okay. Wait! My stream is stuck, isn't it? Well, that's my cue to stop the stream. Thank you to everybody that dropped by today. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch you guys on the next stream. Bye!